Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by building an invisible foundation. Put on a smooth, nude slip or bodysuit that matches your skin tone so the dress reads clean. Once on, test placement in front of a mirror and mark where support is needed. Apply fashion tape to the garment edges and to your skin in short strips. This secures seams and prevents gaps. Make sure straps and closures are pre-adjusted. You want everything comfortable before stepping into the transparent dress. Once the base is set, focus on fit and silhouette. Position the dress over the slip and use additional fashion tape where fabric shifts, armholes, neckline, and hem are common trouble spots. If you need shaping, choose low-profile shapewear panels or seamless shorts that smooth without adding bulk. For extra modesty at key spots, layer a thin camisole beneath sheer areas. This preserves transparency while increasing coverage. Move, sit, and raise your arms to test mobility, and to finish, lock all closures and smooth fabric so no wrinkles betray the look. Add small decorative elements, sash, brooch, or belt, to hide stitching or tape edges and enhance style. Make sure to walk and sit while a friend inspects from all angles. This catches tension points. If something lifts or shows seams, stop and reapply fresh tape or adjust the underlying slip. Keep spares handy. A lint roller, extra pasties, and tape will resolve most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.